Hello, and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you.
The question comes up sometimes, what is undeposited funds? Within QuickBooks Online, there's a holding account or a clearing account that's built into the software called undeposited funds. The way that I like to describe this to people is that it's like the bank bag. So if you're kind of old like me, you might have worked at an office where the checks and the cash was collected. It would go into a vinyl bank bag, had a zipper across the top, and that's what you would take to the bank at the end of the day. Undeposited funds is a lot like that. It's a way that you can consolidate multiple payments into one register entry on your checking register. There's a couple situations where I really like using undeposited funds. It's useful when it's useful, and it's not useful when it's not useful. Kind of like an ice cream scoop. Like there's a time and a place for it, but it's not all the time. I like using undeposited funds when I have multiple payments that are going to go to the bank at the same time. Multiple checks, multiple credit card deposits, doesn't matter. I like undeposited funds when money goes to the bank, but there's a little haircut taken off the top before you get the money. Stripe takes money off the top, PayPal takes money off the top. You get the idea. I don't use undeposited funds if I don't need to. If I'm receiving a payment and I'm taking it directly to the bank and nothing interesting happens, it doesn't make any friends along the way, there's no haircuts, I won't use undeposited funds. There's no harm in doing it. It's just a little bit extra work. Let me show you where to find undeposited funds. When you're looking at your balance sheet, so if we go to reports, we go to balance sheet, undeposited funds is going to appear in the section of other assets, and it's right here at 1701. If you wanted to look and see the list of undeposited funds, that's over here. If you click on plus new and you go to bank deposit, all these things added together equal the total of my undeposited funds. I'm going to make a couple of videos just to explain different aspects of undeposited funds. When you get through these videos, if there's anything about undeposited funds or really QuickBooks in general that you don't understand, let me know.